Students, coming back to once again to the dictionary programs. Okay, today I'm going to discuss a little bit of iteration, how the values in the dictionary can be iterated. Okay, iteration means a loop. Okay, so we can have the repetition. Number of repetition is actually known as the iteration. Fine. So now here is the program. One dictionary has been taken out here. Okay, where the weekdays has been taken. Okay, so the key value pair is there. So the key, we are having Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday in short form, and this and the value is containing the corresponding weekdays number. Okay, Sunday is taken as day 1, day 2 is Monday, day 3 is Tuesday, day 4 is Wednesday, day 5 is Thursday, and day 6 is Friday, 7th is on Saturday. All right, so this is the dictionary has been defined and then under the name of weekdays. Okay, so now we have to use an iterative structure for this one. You can use while, you can use for. I think the for will be the more convenient for you in order to understand the program and to utilize it. Okay, that's why I have used for program out here. Sorry, the for iteration, for iterative structure, that means the for loop I have used out here. Okay, as it says that for days. Okay, for days, days is the value for accession from the dictionary, and value in weekdays dot items. This dot items is a particular command which is accessing a value from the dictionary. All right, so for days value, for days comma value in weekdays dot items, so we have to search through it. Okay, so the print days, days means this is the key value, key actually, and the value in this one means this one is 1. So what will happen, what will be the output? We can guess Sunday. I think sun is the day 1. All right, that way it is to be printed. Okay, so weekdays, and this is the index of weekdays. Okay, so days, the key is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all these things is there. Okay, there are 7 days actually starting from indices 0 to 6. All right, so let us execute this program and check out once how this has been executed. Okay, run module we're doing out here, and then you see the output is here. So here it is related in haphazard order because it takes in alphabetically in a dictionary. So that's why it is appearing in this way. Okay, so day 1, day 6, and day 5 in this way it is appearing. So however it can be arranged. Okay, however it can be arranged with, if you give this one is a separate different order 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So it will be coming in the similar manner. Okay, so the thing is that so that is actually the way to do. Okay, so you can have the reverse this one actually Sunday, and you can make here at a 1 for Sunday, not like this. I'll just want to check out this one program like this. I'm just removing this one and I'm taking 1, then colon I'm taking out here Sunday. All right, Sunday. Okay, comma 2, sorry, 2 comma, here I'm taking, sorry, colon Monday, Sunday, Monday, then 3, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then I'm coming to 4. 4 is giving me 4 is the Wednesday, and 5 is the, sorry, 5 is the Thursday, and 6 is the Friday. All right, Friday, and 7 is the Saturday. All right, so this have just reversed the structure key value pair. This as I'm making key and this I'm making value. All right, let's see now how it is executing. So now the weekdays, so I'm clicking on OK. So it is showing me now in correct order. All right, so that time it's not, that is not a problem actually, but the things, the days have been haphazard. Okay, so now in this way if I'm printing, that is actually the point to show you how can you manipulate the different dictionary in different way. Okay, this is also the one, that same program have just changed the key value pair, and the output also has been reversed. All right, so that is the way. So you can try it out. Okay, at home when you do the practicals and all, you can take the 12 name of the 12 months and you can utilize it in this particular structure. So you will see the it is coming in the same way. For first month one is January, February, like that, and so on. All right, so this is the application of this particular iterative program, I mean to say, by using the for loop. So where a dictionary has been taken and it has been iterated to its index. Okay, this is the index actually where it is calculated in the bracket out here. And days is the day, weekdays, days. Okay, so simply the key value pair has been printed iteratively. All right, so this is the program that to understand. Okay, while doing the iteration. All right, so coming on my next program is that this is a very simple thing. This is not the iteration occurs out here. It is simply to find out the value of the this thing what you call all the numeric data in the dictionary. All right, so you see out here my values data 1 100, data 2 minus 90, and data 3 is 546. All right, so these are all will be added and it will be printed. All right, let us see now. The sum function is there, which is a corresponding function of dictionary, so you can try out. So my values dot values with dot values is a actually is a keyword actually, you know. So that is the thing. So whatever values are there, so 100 minus 90 is how much? It is 10, and 546 546 it will be plus 10. 556 will be the output, probably not probably, it is the one. Okay, so let us execute this program. Yes, 556 is the output. So simply the values have been added by using this sum function. So sum function is an utility in the dictionary that actually gives us the sum of all the values that has been created, that has been given in the dictionary. So that is the one. All right, that is the thing. Achha. Now next, what is actually left out here? Okay, that to understand same thing, similar thing, key value pair. Of course, the dictionary structure we cannot change. All right, that is the thing. So now, now let us coming to the another program which is also a good one. Okay, that is the called merging two dictionaries. Okay, so whenever you are having to match two dictionaries, I think the copy command and update command we have done before. Okay, so that is just an utility, not utility, just an usage you can say. So this will help you out in order to these small programs. You can, with the help of these small programs, you can build a quite a handsome utility, you know. Okay, that is the thing. So here the two dictionaries have been merged out here. So d1 dot copy in the single reference there are two dictionaries, d1 and d2 has been assigned out here. Okay, and say d is d1 dot copy. Okay, d1 dot copy. Clear? So that is the thing. So what is happening in d1 and copy, d1 dot copy. Okay, so what is happening inside the d1 has been copied. All right, and then d dot update d2, and what is happening finally, this d2 has been updated into the object d. Okay, but d is the dictionary object, and finally we are printing d. All right, then I'm executing this particular program, and then let's see what is there. Yes, the both the dictionaries have been merged and printed. All right, now you see out here a is 100, b is bc has been shuffled, but anyway y, x, and d been printed. All right, that is the thing. So in this way you will be able to find out the the values. All right, find out the sum of the values. So now see, a little bit improvise this program. Let's see what does it come. Okay, print sorry print. Okay, then sum of, so d. All right, so let's see sum, and then click on this one. There's a there's an error has come, so we have to go back to the sum program once more. Let's see now how it is appearing. If I want to actually sum, frame going back, the sum my values dot values. Okay, sum d dot values, I think it will be okay. So then it will be d dot values. Okay, values, I think the sum will be displayed now. Sorry. Okay, now let us see. Okay, so I'm executing this particular program. There's an error it is showing. Okay, so okay, what is the error? Okay, all right, this is the closing of this one, and this is the close. I think one more bracket to be given out here, so that will be things. That's what the practical error will come. Okay, you should not sit with the error. Okay, to try to solve the error of yourself, then it will see this has been printed. Okay, now you see only 1500, the merely the value has been given. Now I have to put a prompt string out here. You see how step by step a program can be developed. Okay, the sum of all the values, in both, okay, dictionaries. Okay, dictionaries, give a space and put a comma out here, then you put this one down. So 1500 will not be printed in bare format. Now it will have a prompt string. This particular thing is known as prompt string. Okay, that actually gives us about the output, means the nature of the output, I mean. All right, so let us execute this one. Yes, the thing has been done. So you add it up, it will come 1500 only. That is another utility of the sum function, sum dot values. So don't forget to give the dot values function along with the dictionary object. So then only it will do the sum. Otherwise, error might occur. So you no need to sit with the error. You try to find out the solution. All right. Many of you are good programmers and all. You have seen so many programs nowadays, and through me, and you are studying the book also. So utilize each and every program. Try to improvise it. Means like when you are seeing one program, that logic you can easily incorporate in other programs, as I have done now. In the previous program, I have used the sum. So when I was doing the program, it spontaneously came to my mind that why don't I should use the sum once just to see what is actually happening if I'm putting the sum over here after merging. Oh, so both the things, the sum has been utilized over here and in the merging also. All right, that is the thing. So so in this way you have to utilize. Clear? Okay, next I'm going to another program that's a that is also an iteration, and here I will pass a dictionary object through a through a method or a function. So you see out here a billing utility. This one is actually the Python dictionary, and I have taken the prices in USD. That's why the dollar sign has been given. Okay, so like that. So here is the shopping list: banana, orange, and apple. Though even in the stock, PR or any extra things may appear. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now the thing is that what is happening actually. So here actually this program, the purpose of this program is to show you that how to use the iteration and both the and the condition also. Okay. Now you see there are two dictionaries are there. One is the stock, another is the prices. Fine, and the total dictionary has been passed into through compute wheel. Okay, a dictionary object has been passed. So food is the dictionary object. Okay, what is this food? Food is the dictionary data type. Dictionary data type. All right, dictionary data type. Now total is the variable that is actually storing the values, okay, iteratively, means like it is accumulating the total bill. Okay, so now for x in food, okay, prices x. Okay, so it is coming back x means 0, that is the banana. So what does it do? When the count is more than 0, stock is more than 0, then only the prices will be taken. So simply for x in food, prices x. So if stock is 0, then total equals to total plus price. That means 4 will be added out here. Okay, fine. And then 0, apple is having the 0. Okay. So next is coming orange, I think. The orange is having the count 32, so it will be taken 1.5. Okay, so then 4 plus 1.5 is how much? 5.5. All right, and the apple count is 0 and PR has not been taken. Okay, PR has been taken, but it is in the list. Okay, so we can we can remove from our shopping list that one also. Okay, or we can add it also. We will see both. Then apple count is 0. Then when it is 0, then no, nothing has been added. Okay, so that the rest of the things has been printed as total, and when we have called the compute will function. Okay, so, and through which the dictionary object has been, dictionary data type has been passed to the naming with the shopping list. So let us execute the program once and see how it is appearing. All right, that is the thing. So now you see total cost is 5.5. So what we had accumulated, the same thing has been appearing. Now let us change this particular bit. I'll use the PR also out here. So now PR I'm using out here, PR. All right, so now I'm doing. Okay, now you see the PR is having the count 15, so definitely the price will be added. So it will be, in this case, how much? 5.5 plus 3, 8.5 should be displayed. Okay, let us see our speculation is correct or not. So now I'm doing the run module. All right, so now it is coming 8.5. So it is very simple, very simple. If you can handle these programs very simply, then it is very simple for you. Okay, otherwise you may, if you are haphazard, if you are not going with the explanation and going with the situation properly, in that case it will be a very difficult one for you. Otherwise it is very simple, as we have seen. What you have done out here, when the count is greater than 0, this is actually the planning, that when I was doing the program, it has come in my mind, why don't we do it in this way, other than printing the bills? Because you see apple is 0, no stock is there, that is pointless adding to. Okay, pointless adding the price of apple, that is pointless. So that's why it has come to my mind that why don't we skip the prices which have the count as 0. Okay, so if it is more than 0, then only the count will be done. So that is the outcome which you have seen just now. Okay, so that is the way. So in this way, here in this program there are three things you have learned. So how our shopping list, how our dictionary object can be passed through a program. Okay, so we have taken the multiple dictionaries out here, and both the dictionaries have been, we have synchronized out here. Okay, and we have accumulated the value of prices, total price in a variable called total, and finally what has happened, total has been printed. So this is also an iteration, and this is the function call. And what condition we have put into out here, when the stock is 0, price has not been added. So I hope you understand this program. I don't think so you'll have the have any problem to do this kind of programs. Okay, now on. Okay, so it is quite right, the output is quite justified, and this particular program is successfully, has been successfully done. So I would like to I would like to suggest you, as much as practical you will do of these programs, then definitely it will give you quite a good confidence. Confidence can be built in your mind. So that is the thing, and you will have the planning of programs. It will come spontaneously. Okay, we never with the programs with the subjects and all other than if it is being supplied, then it is okay. Okay, but if it is not being given to us, then we think of a situation, then on that particular situation we start programming. All right, that is the thing that we do actually. So you also adapt the same process. All right, thank you, and do the practical. Once again, I am saying you every time I give you a reminder. Okay, so that is also actually good for you. Definitely you should practice, especially this kind of programs. All right, thank you.